Okay, just riding up to finish up the first appraisal of billowing clouds where lives are among the sky. This lighted world sits nearby. Find the base of a burgeon of trapezium basins and meditate near the dangerous edge. Among the glow, what shall emerge is the answer to help you cross the verge. I don't know if I'm supposed to do anything here, like meditate. Let's try it. Can't, yeah, I gotta sit first. Meditate near the dangerous edge. I thought I had a meditate skill. There we go, it's right here. Okay. Okay. Oh. It worked. That was very cool. Okay, next on to the second appraisal.